independent beauty artists and professionals, artists who are on the go or who are into shoots and who don't have their own setup. Splang provides them with a platform, everything ready to go. They can call this their own. It's like a WeWork for beauty professionals. They can come here, rent the space, conduct their business.
Nandish, congratulations. The PK is coming soon.
Hopefully soon.
You've collaborated with Splang. Tell us about your experience and about Splang.
I love the place. I love the energy of this place because the moment I walked in, I saw it's the decor is white and blue, and especially today the energy is so high because everybody is here. They want to get ready, and I was told that there is a contest happening where 8 couples are going to be shortlisted,
Yes.
and they will get a chance to get ready and transform into the way they want it. And what I've also been told while I was interacting with everybody here is that all the couples, and I interacted with some people as well, that the thing is that they're not getting transformed into something else. They're getting transformed into what their strengths are, what suits them as per their life.
Yes.
And that's something which I really like. And they don't have to, people don't have to look for places to go. We generally, what happens is that if I like an artist that I want to work with, or I want that person to maybe transform me or get me ready for an event, sometimes there's a problem with the place. Either I have to call the artist home or I have to go to their place. And everybody doesn't own their place. So what I like about this place is that you can rent the place, come here, get your privacy, get your artist along with you, and get ready. It's very private in that way. So I like the concept. It's really interesting and new to me.
Home for independent artists. We created Bow and Bridal Beauty Social to celebrate the joy of getting ready. And there are a lot of platforms for fashion designers or other professional individuals, but not many for makeup artists. So here, all our makeup artists, hairstylists, costume stylists are working together, transforming 8 couples that we have shortlisted from 60 couples who had reached out to us to participate in this event.
Neeraj, would you like to add something?
It's Naveen here.
Naveen.
And Splang लोग होते हैं क्या ये salon है क्या ये salon नहीं. It's not a product, it's not a place, it's not a shop that you go to. Splang is an experience. And just like we were talking about an idea is about creativity. Creativity is not कौन सा कपड़ा, कौन सा जूता, कौन सा bag. Creativity is a state of mind. So even the way this whole concept has come about is when me and Mirza we were discussing, when the minds ideate, when the chemistry happens, so something which is happening today like that is basically an idea. Idea का कोई रूप नहीं होता है. शर्ट का होता है, ट्राउजर का होता है, जूते का होता है, बैग का होता है. Idea is universal, so I'm very happy that something which was just a state of mind has come to a thing. Everybody's contributed, the artists have contributed. हम लोग को मेकअप बोलते हैं, हेयर बोलते हैं, वो सब आर्टिस्ट है. तो जो औहदा जो दिया गया है स्प्लैंग में, वो औहदा कभी भी आर्टिस्ट को मिला नहीं है. So today, whether it's a hairdresser, whether it's a makeup artist, everybody over here is actually an artist who's there on a website, positioned well, and they feel so good about being part of this whole fraternity. And I think Splang is going to create that kind of an ecosystem which is missing in India. So
Yeah.
best for you, Nivedita, and I'm very happy to be a part of it.
Thank you. Would you like to add anything?
My message to the independent artist is have faith in yourself. Look at your work as not as standard or not as substandard work. Look at it as a creative project. And for the to-be brides and the grooms, style yourself as per your own authentic self. Don't try to be somebody else. When you are yourself, you look the best.
And it's a good place to create good memories
Yeah.
for all of you.
Awesome.
Must visit.
So let's Splang
Yes.
together in the future also.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Hi guys. So I am here at Splang Italia. It is one of the first luxury technical salon you can say जहाँ पे nails, beauty और भी बहुत सारी activities की जा सकती है. So under one roof you get so many things. So I think you guys जो भी जितने लोग देख रहे हैं you must visit here because it is the first luxury brand in Andheri. Yes, guys, thank you.
ब्राइडल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जो हमने किया है, हमने इनको फुली ट्रांसफॉर्म करके उनके लिए डिफरेंट लुक ट्राई किया है. तो बंस है, रोजेस है, ये एकदम एक्सोटिक इंडियन ब्राइड है विद अ मॉडर्न टच.
Ma'am, what do you want to add? Yes,
आपका एक्सपीरियंस आप बताओगे?
This is a very unique experience. I've never had like this experience, and first time I'm having this experience at Spang, and I just love it. I just love everything.
Nitika, why you choose the Indian brand, Indian wedding and Indian the theatre?
Because that's the biggest day of any bride or any person in their life. आप बचपन से बड़े होते हो, you are saying कि आप एक दिन दुल्हन बनोगे. It's your biggest day, and sometimes क्या होता है, आपके पास आज की तारीख में options बहुत है, but आप क्या option ले सकते हो जो आप पे अच्छा भी लगे और आपकी हटकी एक पहचान भी बने. तो हमारे टैलेंटेड मेकअप आर्टिस्ट ने हर ब्राइड के हिसाब से, उनकी पर्सनालिटी के हिसाब से एक लुक डिजाइन किया है. इनकी पर्सनालिटी थोड़ी शाई टाइप है एंड टॉल है, ब्यूटीफुल है, तो हमने उनको थोड़ा रस्टिक इंडियन लुक दिया है विद अ लिटिल मॉडर्न.
मैम, ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा आपका? मैम के यहाँ पे मतलब सब कुछ है यहाँ पे, आपने जिस तरीके से देखा एक्सपीरियंस किया वो.
It was an amazing experience. Like everything from start to end, the makeup, the drape, the lehenga, the styling, the hair, everything was like amazing, and nothing can beat this.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
I am Chaya Goticha from Makeup Artist from Mumbai, and this is something unique. And I did this is like she's not a model, but right now I feel she looks like a Sabya's model.
What do you want to say about Nitika, ma'am?
She is the I don't have a single word about her. She is an inspired person, and like she gives me this concept. You try this, and I was yesterday very nervous. She's so skinny and all, so I was like, no. But she is giving me a support, and this is the look what you are getting right now.
What do you want to say?
So Chaya is our artist, and इनकी strength जो मैंने देखी is कि वो challenge accept करती है, but she also has her own point of view. तो हमने काफी discuss करके उन्होंने ये look create किया है, all looks create करेंगे. So I'm very grateful to Chaya and I'm very grateful to Vaishali.
And part of styling part of your today grooming, and I must have to say, tell us about your experience getting ready here.
I'm feeling like very.
Look center.
I'm very happy. I'm feeling very confident in this look. Thanks to Nivedita. She gave me such a good opportunity to try this look before my wedding, so I can do like pretty well on my wedding day. After seeing this, I think I can carry this. And thanks for my makeup artist also. She just created all this beautiful look, and I'm feeling very good, happy, and in my own self.
So can you tell us quickly about the look today?
So we got to know that it's a Western outfit, like she's kind of going for a reception kind of a thing. So we played around with little bit of shimmer here because her outfit complements the makeup. So yeah, I've created this look, keeping her lips a little nude, so the concentration goes in the actual work which I've done here as an artist. So yeah, that's overall, and giving her a very skin finish makeup. So yeah, that's the look.
And Nivedita, what do you have to say about this whole?
I would also like to speak. I would like to speak about. I want groom to share the experience. Bride के बहुत होते हैं ना. एक groom.
How was your experience doing makeup?
The experience was very fantastic. I had a lot of fun. It was not like I'm just sitting and doing nothing. But it was just like it was more like a friendly session. I didn't recognize I was being, I was thinking that when I have to go, then I thought, she's doing very good work. So I just made her do it and just had a lot of jokes.
First thing, he didn't want to come, but I told him to come because I had trust in Nivedita that she's doing this, so it will be pretty good, and I'm very happy with it.
She convinced
Overall
me.
experience is very like good, wholesome. I loved it.
आप हेयर के बारे में क्या बताएंगे? What is special look करते हैं आप लोग?
We use bangles and do it like the bride is running less time, and she says 10 minutes में खत्म. So within 10 minutes this whole thing.
Yeah, it is all actually done in 7 to 10 minutes literally. I also said that how you did so fast. She's like, I'm 40 years experience, so I'm very happy with the fast and so beautiful look.
ये जो है ये इनका निवेदित का था कि कुछ एक अलग से लग रहा है ज्वेलरी के साथ हेयर में वो ज्वेलरी वाला पैटर्न जैसा
And I want to tell you, Nivedita, I had trust in you. She has choose my outfit, my jewelry, everything, my makeup look, my hairs, everything she has planned, and it's awesome. Thanks.
Thank you, Benju, and you're here at Flag. What do you have to say?
So, I mean, it's a good thing because I think India's was one-stop solution for everything. You know, all the artists, because you can just come here, pick your artist, and go to the wedding, dress up, whichever you want. That's how it is.
What's your experience at Flag?
And yeah, I did my hair color. It was damn good. And yeah, they are good in quality. And even the look is, I mean, if you come and see the interior, it gives a big vibe. It's a great thing.
Today now beauty is everything. I believe आप जैसे अपने आप को present करते हैं, that speaks the most of it. So how much presentable you are, that speaks very loudly. And now you have been the best, and everyone wants to be the best out of it. They are trying. So I just want such things, such things help other person to be more beautiful, more elegant, more graceful, and I would say this wellness, this jewelry, it's a complete makeover thing. So yeah, it's going to be very good for everyone.
आपके लिए wedding ready में सबसे important aspect क्या है?
I am very much, so I'm not into that much of skincare, but I'm very much into hair care thing. So for me, the most thing that I need my hair to be very moistured, good, and like really nice and manageable thing. So yeah, one thing that's hair care.
Congratulations निवेदिता जी for such a beautiful place. मैंने अंदर जब अभी गई थी तो मैं कभी इमेजिन नहीं कर सकती थी all under one roof आपको सब कुछ यहाँ पर मिलेगा. Right, starting from the attire, the beautification of a bride, and all the services that you are giving is like super fantastic and super wow. Being a bride, मुझे लगता है जब किसी की शादी होती है तो सबसे बड़ी टेंशन ये होती है कि लहंगा एक जगह से लेना है, स्टाइलिश एक जगह से है, and she's curated something which is all under one roof. So I think it's a very different concept. You will get to explore the attires, you will get to explore the cosmetic वाली सारी चीजें, the jewelry, and of course the religious, the tarot reading, the coffee reading, and whatnot. Oh my god! And of course आप अपनी aura को clean करने के लिए, aura को balance करने के लिए भी there are a lot of things that are available at this place. So many congratulations to you.
सेकेंडरी आज आप यहाँ आए हैं Flag में जो इंडिया का फर्स्ट टेक्नोलॉजी बेस्ड प्लेटफॉर्म है जिसमें वेलनेस, ब्यूटी, हेयर केयर, नेल्स, शॉपिंग, for a woman's right to just walk in and walk out as a dressed, well-dressed couple. What do you have to say for a platform like this?
Well, इससे बेस्ट हम लड़कियों के लिए कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता कि एक जगह घुसो, स्टार्ट टू एंड, टॉप टू बॉटम सारा काम एक साथ ही निभाओ. सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड कि यहाँ पर आकर मेरे सारे ही पर्पस एक साथ सॉल्व हो जाए और इस जैसी एक क्रिएटिव चीज़ को हम सबको बढ़ावा देना चाहिए. वो इसलिए ताकि हम सबका समय भी बचे और जो एक्स्ट्रा फैसिलिटीज एट द वन प्लेस वी आर गेटिंग इट, वी शुड थैंक ऑलवेज. So I am wishing this brand a good luck and all the very best, and I know it is very very bright future.
Thank you, and yeah, Nivedita wants the brand.
Thank you for all the very best. तो इतनी सारी चीजें क्रिएट की है, सारे लोग एक साथ नहीं कर सकते और मुझे लगता है दिस प्लेस इज बिल्कुल रॉन्ग. थैंक यू.
I'm sure